How y'all doing? Hi. My name is DeAndre Washington, and this poem is untitled. At the age of 6, I noticed that there aren't that many options put in place if you were a black man. Most men I knew spent their days drowning their bodies with anything that would make the thought of society suffocated them feel less painful. Constantly preaching how we're at war with public perception, not realizing they lost the battle when hanging outside the corner store. It seems, even in the present day, being black and hanging are still synonymous. It didn't matter if the alcohol burned their pride or if the cigarettes blew their dreams into a state of depression to what was told of them. These men forgot that we came in this world wrinkled with difference, wrinkled with perfection, drenched in beautiful, but remember to hold on to whiskey till they drown in what society feels resembles who they were born to be ball player, born to be drug dealer, born to be uneducated, born to be drunk, born to be a stereotype. An image oversimplified just to fit inside of a picture frame it could never fit in before because the details were too complex. Because of that, over the years, I was never fond of looking at myself in the mirror. I felt the reflection would be similar to an X-ray examination, revealing every flaw that I would have to fix because of societal expectations. You expect so much from a man of my stature. You expect me to know how to shoot a jump shot. Expect me to know the difference between a dime and a dub and how to make it disappear within 0.5 seconds of little to no eye contact. Expect me not to be in pursuance of a better education for myself because I choose not to read a book of history that isn't my own history. And most of all, expect me to swallow liquor as if it was my pride every time you try to shove what you expect down my throat. But I'm here to let you know that I choose the fork in the road. If there was one stereotype that was ever true, it would be that because of the tough exterior we as black men must put up when in the face of fear, we never get a chance to voice how we feel. Because we are so prepared to fight with fists before fighting with words. Because words never seem to make a difference when spewing out of a black man's mouth. We forgot that the pen was mightier than the sword. However, I know now that this pen is my paintbrush and I plan to paint a picture more beautiful than Mona Lisa herself on this canvas. Because I'm the district's very own Leonardo da Vinci. And I plan to paint the canvas of my life on the skies that oversee the Capitol with intentions to showcase it to the world. My only hope is that you become just as fascinated with the strokes of my soul and the alignment of a path that was once so abstract. Now feel with the concrete, vivid image of who I will be. I'm forcing society to conform to me. Thank you.